Now the next topic for today is excessive grazing. So first let us understand what is grazing. You might have seen different goats, sheep, buffaloes, cows, all these cattle or animals eating the green grasses. Wherever there is green land, all these animals go there and start eating the grasses. So that particular thing is grazing. जब ये सारे एनिमल्स, कैटल्स वगैरह जो भी ग्रीन ग्रास है या जो भी वेजिटेशन है उसको खाते हैं, उसे ग्रेजिंग बोलते हैं. सो व्हेन दिस ग्रेजिंग अकर्स इन एक्सेसिव अमाउंट, large number, then it can be harmful to the environment. So what actually is excessive grazing? Excessive use of forest land for grazing and intake of vegetation by animals. So when these green land or vegetation is taken up by the animals in excessive amount, then it is known as excessive grazing. Now there can be number of ill effects due to this excessive grazing. Let's look at the ill effects. First one is the layer of vegetation is destroyed. Now when the animals will eat up the green grass, what will happen? The green layer, all this vegetation will get destroyed and the greenery of that particular area will be destroyed. Next is soil erosion. Now when the animals eat up the grasses, the plants, the vegetation, what will happen? Again the roots will get eroded off from there and as a result soil erosion will occur. The green area will be decreased and as a result what will increase? The desert area will increase. Now when there is less plants or less vegetation, the soil will absorb less water and as a result the plants will not get adequate amount of water to grow up again. And when the animals eat the vegetation or the green grasses or plants, they do not grow very quickly. It takes a lot of time to grow again. So what will happen? The area will turn into barren land or desert land. And such situation of excessive grazing is occurring in the highlands of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Now the next topic for today's class is urbanization. Urbanization means extension of cities. When the city area is extended, how? By including nearby rural areas. City means urban areas and rural means village areas. So when these cities are extended by including the nearby village areas, then it is known as urbanization. Now in the process of urbanization, what will be done? Generally the farms, forest, pasture land and whatever the things comes between the city and the villages, all these things are captured, cleared off and they are taken up into the process of urbanization. Like imagine our city Ratlam is here and we have different villages over here. Okay, some is 2 kilometer, 5, 3. Now when our city is extending or undergoing the process of urbanization, what will happen? Whatever farms, agricultural land, pasture lands, forest area, whatever is between this 2 kilometers will be cleared off and taken up under the boundary of Ratlam. Again same will happen over here, same will happen over here. So this city which was originally this much will increase to an area of this much. So this particular process is known as urbanization. Now what are the results of urbanization? जब urbanization होगा तो ऑब्वियसली पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगी सिटी की. पहले जितने लोग रह रहे थे, अब पहले इतने एरिया में लोग रह रहे थे, अब इतने एरिया के लोग कवर हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? पॉपुलेशन बढ़ जाएगी. ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटीज़ जैसे रोड्स, रेलवेज़, ये सब का नंबर्स बढ़ेगा, ज़्यादा लोग रहेंगे. हॉस्पिटल, मॉल्स, थिएटर, अदर सोर्सेज ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, ये सारी चीज़ें बढ़ेंगी. कम्युनिटी सेंटर्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स विल increase. और इन सब चीज़ों के इंक्रीज़ होने का रिजल्ट क्या है, बहुत सारे लोग रहने लग गए, ये सारी चीज़ें हो गई, तो डेफिनेटली व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू इंक्रीज, pollution is going to definitely increase in the city area. Now what are the problems that we have to face after the process of this urbanization? जब बहुत सारे लोग आकर रहने लग जाएंगे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों की स्कैरसिटी होने लग जाएगी, कमी होने लग जाएगी, ठीक है, जैसे कि प्योर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर की कमी हो सकती है, पानी की कमी हो सकती है, प्योर एयर टू ब्रीद इन, अच्छी साफ़ हवा लेने के लिए कमी हो सकती है, लोगों को रहने के लिए घरों की कमी हो सकती है. सो पोल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, व्हेन लॉट ऑफ पीपल will come and start living in the city, what will happen, and there are less number of employment options, उनको जॉब करने के ऑप्शंस कम है, तो लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड रह जाएंगे, बेरोजगार रह जाएंगे. लैक ऑफ पीस विल बी डेफिनेटली देयर, जितने ज़्यादा लोग होंगे उतना ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस. सो पीस, जो शांति वाला माहौल था वो पूरा ख़त्म हो जाएगा. सो दिस ऑल इज़ अबाउट अर्बनाइजेशन. और अर्बनाइजेशन का बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है मेट्रो सिटीज़ लाइक दिल्ली, मुंबई, कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई. In all these metro cities, crores of people live there. You might have seen in this lockdown phase कि कितने सारे मजदूर लोग, लेबरर पीपल, दे आर कमिंग बैक टू द विलेजेस. तो वो लोग कहाँ चले गए थे, वो लोग सारे लोग सिटीज़ में रहने के लिए चले गए थे. तो बहुत सारे लोग, या फिर मुंबई, कोलकाता, दिल्ली, इन सिटीज़ को आप देखोगे तो उनके आसपास के जो विलेज एरियाज़ हैं उनको कवर करके इन सिटीज़ के अंदर इंक्लूड कर लिया गया है. और इसकी वजह से वहाँ पर पोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, बिल्कुल भी पीस नहीं है, मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है. सो ऑल दीज इज़ अबाउट अर्बनाइजेशन. नाउ कमिंग अप टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. The meaning of industrialization is extension of industries. The process of establishing and extending the new industries is called industrialization. Now, industrialization is the need of today. Today, we need a lot of products, different goods, and how all of them will come? We need to produce them somewhere, and they will be produced in the industries. So, keeping in mind the present future needs, factories needs to be increased, the number of factories have to be extended, but due to this industrialization a lot of problem our environment is facing. Like when the industries will increase, what will happen, the smoke and chemical coming out of the factories will go up in the air, resulting in the cause of air pollution. The liquid effluents coming out of the factories will go and meet the rivers flowing nearby, resulting in water pollution. The waste will be dumped off somewhere on the land, resulting in soil pollution, and the different chemical reactions taking up in the factories will also result in radioactive pollution. So because of this industrialization, all these pollutions will be caused in the environment. Now there is example of the city Kolkata where Hooghly river flows. Now as there are lot of industries in Kolkata, what happens due to it? The water of river Hooghly has become poisonous due to the effluents and the garbage being thrown in that river. And it is just not about only Hooghly river, but the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, all these rivers are being polluted because of these industries. So we can say that industry is a boon for us. It is a good thing for us because we are getting the products out of it, but it is a curse to the environment. It is like a shrap to the environment. So industry हमारे लिए तो अच्छी है, but ये environment में क्या कर रही है, बहुत सारे ill effects cause कर रही है. So certain measures could be taken जिससे कि क्या हो सके, environment pollution कम हो सके. या तो इंडस्ट्रीज़ को रेसिडेंशियल एरिया से दूर लगाया जाए ताकि जो ये सारे पोल्यूशंस है वो ह्यूमन बींग्स पर इम्पैक्ट नहीं करे, या फिर कोई अल्टरनेटिव मेथड सोचा जाए जिसकी वजह से इंडस्ट्रीज़ के जो इल इफेक्ट्स हैं उनको कम किया जा सके. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.